Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a 30-day case study for an immigration lawyer, and this is probably one of my most favorite niches that we're in with lawyers. How we're able to generate a ton, dozens and dozens of leads every single month using a simple Google Ads campaign. Not complicated. I'm going to give everything away. I'm going to show you everything and how we're generating leads and how you can generate leads as well. Or if you're an immigration lawyer, how we can run this campaign for you and add you to our roster of immigration law clients. Check this out. So what you're looking at is the inside of our client's Google Ads account. This is the last 30 days, which is March 4th to, I think today's actually April 3rd. And immigration law client. So we are putting our ads in front of people who are searching Google for immigration lawyers, immigration attorneys. Very simplistic, basic stuff, right? We're just matching people looking for an immigration lawyer with people searching them. So $100 a day budget this client has Monday through Friday. I highly recommend that if you're going to run immigration law ads on Google, that you budget at least $75 a day Monday through Friday. You'll have the best success. You'll get more leads. It's just the way Google's algorithm works here. And the lower the budget, the less they're going to show your ads, and the click costs can get pricey. So $100 a day, you'll never go wrong. You'll be able to generate as many leads as you want. And I wouldn't recommend going lower than 75. That said, if you are an immigration lawyer and you're watching this and you like what you see, we're about to show you how we generate dozens of leads every month for our clients here, and you want to run this campaign in your local area for your immigration law firm, there's a link in the description. Fill that out. We can hop on a call, and I'll walk you through the back end of how all this works, and we can usually roll these campaigns out in as fast as 24 hours. Okay, so that said, last 30 days, this client's gotten 277 clicks, a 6.7% click-through rate, which means people like our ads. They're clicking our ads at a higher rate than normal. The average cost per click is about $7.50, which is really good for immigration lawyer keywords. And the client got 56 leads in the last 30 days. So this is a mixture of inbound phone calls and contact form submissions. The cost per lead is $38 per lead. So ideally, I want that to come down to around $29, $28, which in the next 30 days it will. But that's a great starting point for any lawyer lead. At $38 is pretty insane. Conversion rate 20%. I'm happy with that. I'm going to set up a split test so we can increase that further. That's only going to, the higher the conversion rate we can get with A/B testing, then we can drive that cost per lead down to the $20 range where I really want it to be. But an amazing first 30 days start. It's a lot of leads for a law firm only spending $100 a day, 5 days a week. So if we go into the campaign, I will walk you guys through all of the ad groups we have here. You can see where all the leads are coming from. I'll sort by conversions, right? So pretty much they're all coming from these ad groups here. So we have immigration lawyer ad group, immigration attorney. Let me split those up just so we can speak directly in the ads to that language. Local immigration lawyers. I feel like that's a really good ad group. Visa attorney, citizenship lawyer, find immigration lawyer geolocation, right? Citizenship immigration lawyer, visa lawyer. So there's a lot of different ad groups that we're targeting, but keep in mind if there's something that you offer here that you're not seeing in this client's campaign, we can add that as an ad group and generate leads for that as well. Obviously, everyone runs different services. So if we go to keywords here, I will sort by sorted. So these are driving all the leads for the client. Immigration lawyer, I need an immigration lawyer, immigration attorney, local immigration lawyer, citizenship lawyer, visa attorney. Now the thing you have to keep in mind with Google is when you're running phrase match and exact match keywords like we are, you're going to get a lot of other lawyers' names dragged into the search terms. So it's important that if you run these campaigns, you have a nice size list of negative keywords for other law firm names, other lawyer names, just because people will search, Jessica Val, immigration lawyer, and our ad could show it, somebody will click it, and you don't want that if that's not our lawyer, our immigration lawyer client. You obviously don't want your ad to show for that stuff. So we weed that out by adding negative keywords at the localized level, and a lot of them. So that's one way that you can get really cheap clicks and still maintain that high quality of lead where you're not just getting a ton of competitor keywords. Or if you want and you really want to go deep dive on this, we can do exact match keywords only. We have a few immigration lawyers who they don't want to mess with negative keywords and they just want all exact match keywords, and lead quality is always 100%. There's never an issue there. So for this campaign, we're doing a mixture of exact match and phrase match. We never run broad match keywords with immigration campaigns. They just bring really, really low quality leads, so it's just not worth the time. And honestly, I don't want to stress my client out. So if we go to devices here, you'll see we are only running mobile traffic. Phone is what converts. All right, desktop traffic does not convert for this, at least not for our system we have running here. This is what we have is built for phones, mobile phones. We want to drive as many phone calls as possible and give our client as many opportunities as possible for them to turn these calls into booked office visits, appointments, paying clients, right? So the more opportunities they have for people looking for an immigration lawyer, the more people they're going to close in their pipeline and bring in new clients to their firm. And that's, at the end of the day, guys, what the goal is here. So if you have any questions about the immigration law firm campaign, drop them in the comment section below. The landing page we're running this to, guys, is very basic. We're just telling them, hey, here's our client's name. They're an immigration lawyer. If you need an immigration lawyer, please call. We can hop on and you can schedule a visit to our office. We can sit down and have a conversation about your case. So there's a lot of different ways you can skin that cat, but that's how we're doing it for this one right now, and it works really, really well. So that said, questions, drop them below. If you are an immigration lawyer and you want to work with us, there is a link in the description. Fill that out. We'll hop on a call, and I'll walk you through the whole campaign from front to back.